Safety.
Hello, my dear friends. Are you excited to learn the cursive letter for the day? Let's learn how to write the cursive capital letter P. How do you go to school in the mornings? Do you put on your backpack like this and look at yourself in the mirror? Do you look like a cursive capital letter P? Let's see how we can write this letter by looking at ourselves in the mirror with our backpacks on. We will start at the top of our heads. Draw a little curve like this. Go down to our legs. Come back up to our shoulders and loop up our backpack like this. Let's try this once more. We will start with a little curve that goes to the top of our head like this. We will extend this to make a downward standing line to our feet. We will come back up to the shoulders and we will loop up our back and draw a little curve. And that's it. Here we have it, the cursive capital letter P. Let's try doing this in our notebooks. We will start at a point between the top red line and the blue line like this. We will draw a little curve that touches the top red line. We will come down to the bottom blue line. We will loop up till our top red line and finally make a loop. Let's try this again. We will start at a point between the top red and the blue lines. We will draw a little curve that touches the top red line. Draw a downward standing line to the bottom blue line. Loop it up till a point between the top red and the blue line and then loop it up like this. And here we have it, the capital cursive letter P. Come on, let's pull out our notebooks and try writing it with a pencil and paper.